begin the process of making Yoda baby, we start making Yoda's head by rolling some stuffing wool to a ball and start pricking it with a felting needle. The felting needles come with jagged edges that will bind the wool together. This process is very repetitive, but do stay focused and not get distracted. If not, you might poke your fingers in the process. Start slow and be very careful. This ball will become the core of the head, so it has to be firm and hard. So keep rotating the ball and prick evenly. To check the size, use your phone and pinch the picture of Yoda to adjust the size to match the plastic teddy bear eyes you've bought. When the size match, you can now compare the size of the core with the picture. Keep pricking until you get a core that's slightly smaller than the size of the picture. The core is now nice and firm. Next, we need to create indents on the face for Yoda's eyes. Just use the felting needle to create the indent until you get something like this. Depending on the type of eyes you use, you can either stick it on with a glue or screw it in. If you like our content, do hit that subscribe button. Now get some Yoda green wool and layer it over the head and prick it to make the skin. If you find the coverage is uneven, you can apply more layers of the green wool and prick over it. Cover the whole face with a layer of green wool. Now get some green and pink wool to make Yoda's eyelids. Layer it over the eyeballs and prick it in place. Next, we mix some green and pink wool for the nose of Yoda. Using the same process, you can create other features on Yoda's face. I feel like a plastic surgeon working on a patient during this process. Don't forget to make the bubbly cheeks on Yoda's face as well. To make the rosy cheeks, just add some pink wool on top of it. Tidy up the face and see if you can add more features to make it more realistic. Let's not forget about Yoda's lower lip. To make Yoda's ears, get a strip of green wool, measure it so that it's about 3 Yoda heads long. Then cut it in half to make 2 ears. Lightly prick the wool into the rough shape of the ear. Then add a layer of pink wool. With that, you can start firming up the ear and prick it to shape. Roll the green on the top edge to create that structure on Yoda's ears. Prick under the roll to create more depth for the ears. Now grab the ears, pinch it to measure the size to be the same width as the head. That should be the size of Yoda's ears. Now prick the ears in place. Baby Yoda's head is complete. Now you proceed to make another core with stuffing wools for Yoda's body. Make sure that the new core's width is no bigger than Yoda's face. Get some brown wool, long enough to wrap around the new core to make the outfit for Yoda. Just prick the wool flat to create a fabric for the coat. Side prick the wool to create a nicer edge for the fabric. My first attempt seems too thin, so I added another layer of wool to thicken the fabric, and the pricking continues. Fold the top part of the fabric to create the collar for the coat. Did a quick fitting and I find that the collar is too flat. So add some curl wool to create some texture and color for the coat's collar. Now it's looking better. Prick the underside of the collar to create some depth. Now align the coat and prick it in place. It's rather thick, so start with deeper pricks to secure the placement. To avoid making the legs, tuck the lower ends to create a sag look for the coat. It's still a cute looking Yoda. Repeat the process and make a pair of sleeves for the coat. We are getting there. Next, roll up some green wool to make sticks to create the arms and hands of Yoda. Cut them to size and prick them together. When the hands are ready, fix it to the sleeve. If you want, you can stop here, or you can make a soup bowl for the Baby Yoda to hold. This will create that funny scene of him drinking soup. Finally, use a toothpick and glue to secure the head and the body together. Now Baby Yoda is complete. To add a little more cuteness, shape the ears to make it droopy. If you like our content, now will be a good time to hit that subscribe button and share it with your friends. Do leave us a comment to tell us what you like us to make the next time. See you next time!